Hi guys! If you sell products on Shopify or Amazon and run paid ads on platforms like Meta, Instagram, or other advertising networks, you've probably struggled with one common problem: creating enough high-quality ad creatives. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to use Edimakor's AI Ads feature to turn your Shopify or Amazon product images into realistic, engaging video advertisements in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Now open Edimakor, and on the launch screen, you'll immediately see the AI Ads feature. Inside AI Ads, you'll find 3 different modes: Ads Video, Ads Image, and Ad Clone. For this tutorial, we'll use the product character template under the Ads Video mode. First, upload your product image along with a photo of the person who will appear in the advertisement. For the best results, make sure both images are clear and high resolution so the AI can accurately recognize the product and generate more realistic visuals. If you don't have a suitable model photo, don't worry. Edimakor also provides a variety of preset AI characters in its character library, allowing you to choose one that best matches your product and target audience. Once you've selected your images, set the appropriate aspect ratio for your platform. Next, enter your product description or marketing script into the script box. Then, Personalize Voice. Edimakor supports more than 150 languages, making it an excellent choice for cross-border e-commerce sellers who need to create localized advertisements for global audiences. After selecting the voice that best fits your brand,
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
click Confirm. To make your advertisement look even more natural and engaging, you can also add descriptions for character actions, facial expressions, camera movements, or cinematic shots in the prompt. This gives the AI more creative direction and helps produce a more professional-looking commercial. Finally, click Generate.
I've been carrying this water bottle with me every day, and it's honestly one of the most useful things I've bought recently.
I've been carrying this water bottle with me every day.
I use it at the gym, in the office, on road trips, and even when I'm just running errands.
Download Edimakor today and give it a try yourself. Edimakor AI Ads will automatically create a polished AI video advertisement featuring your product.